But it just shows you, just a little video, just to show you where we can get these in. I think this guy's actually had a fire. By the looks of things, he's got his fridge and all that. He's out in the front garden. So he's going to be living in this. I think the insurance company gave him one of these, that motorhome in the background there to live in, which obviously not suitable. That's going in there, lovely. As I say, I think the insurance company gave them this motorhome over here that you see in the background there. It's not really suitable, so they've opted for one of ours, hire an RV. On-site accommodation, fires, floods, you can't beat them. There you go. To show you inside what you get for your money.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit better
so
than your
much better than what we got.
Right, so if you're in the market for temporary accommodation, on-site accommodation, whatever you need, give us a call down at Hire an RV. Kimberly, Ashley and me will be only too pleased to help you. Thanks for watching.